Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I have this beautiful 2016 Cadillac Escalade Platinum. The Platinum trim level is the range topping trim level for the Escalade, featuring all the options, pretty much all the features you can get in 2016. We have the original build sheet on this one. Original MSRP was $94,710. We can provide you a copy, email you one, print you one when you come in. It looks like it has optional assist power tractable running boards as a $1,750 option. I don't know if there's anything too much else that you can add on as far as options go to the Platinum Escalade. Usually they come fairly pretty much loaded with everything you can get. You have a cooler box right here, so you can put some beverages in there or food and keep them cool. Yeah, this little button right there to shut it on and off. Lots of USB connectivity, leather trim throughout, synthetic suede headliner, synthetic suede pretty much all over the place as well. Heated and cooled front seats. Of course, you're gonna have navigation, rear parking camera, overhead camera. This one has 38,427 miles. It's a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. Shows regular service history since new at Brotherton Cadillac in Renton. All that info is on the Carfax report. Bose sound system. The Bose sound system features noise cancellation, making it a really quiet interior. It's really windy and blustery out here, but with the doors closed, it is like a noise isolation chamber inside. It is super quiet. Here there's power retractable running boards. This one has a chrome delete on it, black wheels, tinted windows. I love the black theme on it. It's beautiful. It's an aftermarket set of Giovanni rims. These are 24-inch rims, and they're black too. Kind of following that black theme going on with the rest of the Escalade. And with the Platinum, you get a DVD entertainment system. So there's a couple different DVD entertainment systems available on the Escalade with the different trim levels. I think with one of the trim levels, you just get the flip down screen right here. But with the Platinum trim level, and maybe the one below it, they also give you these ones in the headrest. So you have 3 screens. So obviously the person sitting right here has a screen. Then the third row seat passengers can watch that screen. We have heated second row seats, rear climate control settings, RCA inputs. It looks like it also has a slot so you can put like an SD card if you want to play different types of media. Looks like that is possible. You can plug in headphones right here. You might also have the ability to watch separate media on these different screens. I'm not 100% sure since we're not Cadillac, but you have individual controls and stuff right here. Pretty cool stuff. You can see the suede cloth theme and the leather is just all over the place. Even the suede cloth theme on the backs of the seats. Power rear liftgate, of course. 2016 is a great year for the Escalade because it had a pretty significant redesign 2015. And then for 2016 they made some upgrades to the infotainment system. It has a Q infotainment system. I guess there were some complaints about slow speeds and stuff like that. So for 2016 they upgraded the processor, so it's supposed to work a lot better than the infotainment system that you had in the 2015 Escalade. This one is backed by a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. You want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us. Absolutely stunning vehicle. You have automatic LED headlights, backup collision mitigation, forward collision mitigation. You have a magnetic suspension for amazing ride quality. Cadillac's one of the only companies that offers a magnetic ride suspension. And I think at some points they actually license it out to other car companies. I think they licensed it out at one time to Ferrari. just because it was really cool technology. If you want one of the most luxurious, nicest full-size SUVs out there, this Cadillac Escalade Platinum is definitely it. 420 horsepower V8. I think that's pretty much the same V8 or similar V8 that you find in the Corvette. Obviously they probably tune it differently for Escalade duty. This beauty probably won't hang around for long. If you happen to be in a different part of the country, we have a very big pre-owned business. We sell pre-owned vehicles all over the country on a monthly basis. We can help arrange shipping just about anywhere in the US, help you get the vehicle licensed and registered, get you a shipping quote. And as far as sales tax goes, generally you pay sales tax if applicable where you live, just as long as you don't live in Washington and you don't own a house here. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.